Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is LaurettaElorm. If you're new here or a returning subscriber, welcome and welcome back. Okay, I'm coming to you guys with fresh face because we're going to do a little bit of product review. Okay, we're going to talk about the Juvia's Place Stick Foundation. Focus please, focus. Yep, we're going to talk about this foundation right here. It's Juvia's Place Shade Stick Foundation. I got the shade Sokoto, but I'm not sure if it is my shade. We're going to see. I swatched it earlier and it was a bit pinky on me, but I'm really excited to try it out. I don't know how it's going to look like yet, but you understand me. We're also going to do a little bit of look from the Juvia's Place Afrique palette right here. This palette launched when they launched their very first foundation, as in the fluid foundation, the ones that had all the shades for dark skin girls. That's one. So I'm going to do a little bit of colorful look from this one right here, and then yeah, but the main part of this video is the stick foundation. So on their Instagram page, I think on their Instagram page they have a little bit of information about it. I'm just going to read like part of it for you guys. It says right here, it's a weightless multi-purpose formula that glides on seamlessly to cover imperfections while giving full definition to the face. It also says that this full coverage is infused with shea butter and oil controlling ingredients to aid in a long wear time while providing radiance to the skin, and it's problem free and all of that, cruelty free and all of that. You understand me, right? Okay, this is it. I think I've showed you guys already, but this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to quickly swatch it on my skin for you to see. Like I mentioned earlier, the shade I got is Sokoto. They have other shades. I intended getting two. I wanted a normal foundation shade and also a contour shade, but because of the lockdown I couldn't get that much, and also the money was limited. You understand me, right? I didn't get it directly from the website because time wasn't on my side, so I got it from Everything Beauty GH. But it sells for $16 on the website. Yes, $16 on the website, and it comes in a whole lot of shades. I think it comes in 24 shades, but what I got is Sokoto. So let me just quickly swatch this on my skin for you guys to see. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but I just swatched it and this is what it looks like. But when I did it at first, the very first time I got, when I swatched it, it looked a bit pinky on me, but I think I can manage this shade. It's not exactly my foundation shade like 100%. I think this could pass for a highlight shade for me, because let me see, if I put it here, it's almost vanishing into my skin. Like it's almost the same as the skin tone on my under eye, but over here it looks a bit brighter. I don't know if you understand my point. So I'm going to swatch it here. Usually when I'm wearing foundation, I like to have it match here and here, or like my face, my neck, my chest should be matching. And so I don't know if you guys can see, but my neck is like giving a whole different vibe. On my chest area, I think it's perfect. Oh my god, yeah, it's so perfect on my chest. You guys, look at that. And this is the shade Sokoto. So I don't know, I think this is good, but maybe if I'm going for something else, I would go for something that is like one shade darker than this, just one shade darker than this, so I could have it match my neck area as well. Anyways, it says it's made of shea butter and some oils and all of that, so I'm expecting it to be something that feels like butter. I can already feel that on my skin, but let's do the whole thing and then we'll see. I want to quickly clean this on my face because I have not primed yet. I only did a little bit of cleansing here and there before starting, so I'll just quickly clean this off with some micellar water. And in case you're wondering, this is the cotton pads from Edinfield. Like as you guys can see, what you put on it is exactly what you get. It doesn't soak up the product so much, and I really like this. I think I talked about it the other time I did like a beauty video or something, in my last video. Yes, so I'm just cleaning it off quickly and then we'll get into it. For my moisturizer and primer, I'm going to be using these two products here. This is the Vinci Laboratory moisturizer. I got this as a tester from Everything Beauty GH. When I got my product in, and she added it to it. And I'm also going to use the NYX Angel Veil primer. If you're looking for a good primer, I think you should use this one. It's really good. Not so mattifying, not too like, it's just soft on the skin. So I'm going to use these two. For the Vinci Lab moisturizer, it's very jelly, as you can see. It adds this jelly feel to the face. Every time I use this thing, it gives my face that kind of satin skin type of feeling. It just leaves the skin looking so greased up. I don't know if I'm using the right word, but that's just how I feel whenever I use this particular thing, the Vinci Laboratory moisturizer. Can you see that? Exactly what I'm talking about. So I don't know if you guys know, okay? If you're new here, you might not know, but if you've been here for a while, you know your girl doesn't do primer most of the time. But anyways, we've changed. Okay, 2020, we're not doing our makeup without primer. Okay, like, you understand? We're not doing that, right? Okay, I'm just done with my primer, moisturizer, and all of that, and I'm feeling my skin. You guys, I told you this thing works like magic. The Vinci Lab thing, right? It's kind of jelly and it gives your face that satin feel. So even after using my primer, you can still see it peeking through. Anyways, we're gonna go straight up into the foundation right here. I want to quickly use this on my face. Guys, can you see that? It says it covers imperfections. I don't know about that yet. We're going to see that. So that will mean I should expect it to kind of cover up my black spots and all of that. And so we're going to put it to a test to see if it can do that for me, because I really want products that would give me full coverage, cover up my black spots and all of that. I'm just going to quickly blend this up with a brush. Okay, it says it's made with shea butter, so I think that explains it. It's giving me that kind of like buttery feel. It feels like butter on my skin actually. It doesn't feel so much like makeup I've put on my skin. It just, oh my god. You guys see that? That's so beautiful. Wow. Okay, let me just finish this up. I think if you have a beauty blender, you can definitely try using a beauty blender to blend this thing out, and it's worked perfectly. I think a beauty blender even works perfect for this, but I can't find mine now, so we're just going to manage this, okay? But this looks so good, man. Can you guys see that? Can you see that? It doesn't feel like I have foundation on at all. It actually feels like my own skin. Do you understand my point? It's almost like I've applied something that is close to my skin to it. I think this would pass for an everyday makeup foundation because it's really good. Yo, you guys, can you see what's doing to my face right here? I don't know if you can see, but I can just see lots of like glow coming out of my skin right now. I can just feel that glow. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get closer for you to see. There's like so much glow peeking through my skin right now. It's almost like the sun is rising from my skin. What do you think? Can you see that glow? That's glow. If you're obsessed with shea butter, you understand perfectly what I mean. It's almost like you've applied shea butter to your skin, but this time in the form of foundation, like colored shea butter. That's what I'm feeling right now. Like, ooh. We're going to quickly do a concealer, and then I want to come back with the eyeshadow palette and then see what look I can create out of that. Okay, I'm going to start off with this particular shade right here. It's called Cameroon. I'm going to start with this shade right here as my transition, and then I'll move on to something else that's going to bring out some color, you know. Just going to use this as my transition shade. I want to quickly go ahead and then go into this shade right here, Dakar, for my right beneath my crease. I want to do something very nice over there as well. Did I say crease? In my crease, yeah. I want to use this in my crease. The shade Dakar. I want that burnt orange look plus a bit of yellowish, and this palette has everything I need for that. Can you guys see that already? Okay, let me go in again. I just finished applying the shade Cameroon and Dakar into my crease and as my transition. I want to go ahead and then use this blue right here. The blue is Cote d'Ivoire. I want to use this Cote d'Ivoire color on my outer corner to kind of give me like that kind of burnt smoky blue eyeshadow look. You get what I mean, right? I want to go in with this shade right here called Aya right here to finish this look, and I think it will look so good. Can you guys see that already? These shades are so pigmented, man. Okay, just finished doing my eyes. I want to go in with this Zikel face definer palette and then just finish off my face, do all the necessary things needed, and then we'll quickly come back and then talk about the products because I'm sure you can see the magic going on my eyes already. So guys, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think of the foundation, the eyeshadow and all of that, because I know I did my best with this. Like, this is giving me such beautiful glow on my skin. You guys, please let me know what you think of the foundation. Let me know what you think of the Afrique palette as well. If it's if it's something you would use, I mean both the foundation and the eyeshadow palettes, let me know what you think of it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.